What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Ariana, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about ordering custom t-shirts. And if you've ever had to do this, you know that the internet usually does not make that simple. There are about 400 companies out there that do this, and all of them are going to say that they promise premium quality, fast turnaround, lowest prices, amazing customer service. They're all going to kind of promise this, and it's like you can't all have that, right? So to make it easier for you guys, today I'm going to break down the best custom t-shirt printing companies, and it's not going to just be by price. Instead, we're going to focus on who each one is actually best for, because honestly, no matter what, the right choice depends on what you're printing, how many you need, how much hand-holding you want. So that's what we're going to help you figure out today. Let's get into it. First off, our personal favorite here on this channel is Blue Cotton. They are the best overall for guided, high-quality bulk orders. So if you're ordering shirts for schools, for churches, for corporate teams, for fundraisers, for really family reunions, basically any sort of event where you are going to have multiple people in one area and you all need to be wearing the same thing, Blue Cotton is going to be one of the strongest all-around picks for you. What sets them apart is that they operate more like a managed service than a self-serve upload site. So you're not just going to be clicking add to cart and trying to build things your own way. You're going to be working with a real team. Blue Cotton, one of the things that we absolutely love about them is that they offer dedicated project managers. They offer artwork assistance for no extra charge in small cases, screen printing, embroidery, transparent turnaround times that they actually dedicate themselves to and promise, and transparent turnaround times that they guarantee. They have bulk order expertise. And that especially is going to matter if you're ordering 50, 100, 500 shirts and you cannot afford any mistakes. So Blue Cotton is going to be a especially strong choice for you if you're not a designer, you're not sure what printing method you're going to need. You want someone who's double checking, triple checking, and in their case, 9-point checking everything before production. They're going to be perfect for you. Blue Cotton leans into simplicity and support. So they're built for people who want it done right the first time without having to micromanage the process and check in a million times. And if you want human help and professional oversight, their customer service is some of the best you're going to get, and therefore makes Blue Cotton one of the best options. Next up, for those of you who want super easy online design tools, Custom Ink is going to be the best for you. Custom Ink is probably the most well-known name in this space, and they are going to be perfect for anybody who wants to design everything themselves. And they just want to be able to see an intuitive online mock-up, and they want to be able to just order everything for their group, and they want to handle it on their own. They really don't want to have to bother with phone calls or reaching out unless there is an emergency. They're especially good for mid-sized events. Really, really big events could be kind of a problem. But their design interface is one of the easiest to use, and you can upload art, tweak fonts, see everything, all of that in real time on their website. That said, pricing can be higher than competitors. You are going to be more in self-serve mode with Custom Ink, and complex orders are not going to get a level of hands-on support. So really, this is the best option for anybody who's a DIY designer and they want a streamlined, pretty quick digital process. Next up, for those who want print-on-demand e-commerce, you're going to be looking at Printful. Printful is completely different from Blue Cotton and Custom Ink. This is really the big one for Etsy sellers, Shopify store owners, influencers launching their own merch, people testing designs for the first time and they really don't want to buy inventory, people who need an online store face. That's going to be where you're going to find your sweet spot with Printful. They print shirts one at a time, and they can ship directly to customers. So you can do really small orders all by yourself, which is amazing. There is no minimum order. You don't have to deal with inventory. And like I said, you have automatic storefronts. On the other hand, do keep in mind that ordering that way is going to have a higher per shirt cost, and you will have less control over the bulk pricing. So for huge events or really large orders, that's going to be a real pain. And if you're building a brand and don't want boxes of shirts in your garage though, this is going to be the option for you. Highly, highly suggest for that. Next up is rush order tees, and that is for people who really need speed. If you need shirts fast, like the event is this weekend fast, rush order tees is going to be your strongest option. They specialize in expedited printing and quick delivery. They're good for last minute corporate events, emergency replacements, tight deadlines. They do kind of tend to charge a premium for that speed. And again, you know, you're more in self-serve mode unless your order is going to be large. So just keep that in mind. By the way, Blue Cotton also really prides themselves on being able to do quick deadline turnaround orders. The only thing that you're going to have to think about there is how much customer service you're going to need. Blue Cotton, because they are so human-led, are going to wind up being able to give you that one-on-one on the phone customer service during customer service hours. If you need something right away, right now, 7 days a week, then you're going to want to try for rush order tees. That would be the difference there. And finally, for those of you who want some in-person collaboration, try your local print shops. And I mean, sometimes that's going to be the best option, right? So if you really want to see those fabric samples in person, if you prefer face-to-face communication, if you have a very specific creative vision, local shops are going to be a really great option for you. Just keep in mind that when you're working local, we are huge fans of working locally here. We do just point out that pricing is going to vary widely, and that equipment quality and equipment capacity is going to differ from shop to shop. So you want to make sure that the turnaround time is going to be within the window you need, and that they're going to be able to handle the really big orders you need. So for consistency and scalable operations, larger companies are going to have a stronger infrastructure. So you just want to make sure that you are looking for what you really need. And if you're saying, how do I do that? Here's what actually matters. Your order size is going to matter first and foremost. Are you printing one shirt, or are you printing 300? Because a bulk screen printing company like Blue Cotton is going to shine with volume. Print on demand is going to shine with single orders. So you definitely want to think about that. Next up is your support level. Do you want free reign to design whatever you want? Do you want a project manager who's going to help you out? And if you're wanting real humans to guide you, Blue Cotton is going to be stronger than most purely online platforms. Also, companies like Rush Order Tees or Custom Ink, those are going to be your options. Next is your timeline. If you're on a tight schedule, prioritize companies that specialize in fast turnarounds like Rush Order Tees or Blue Cotton. If you're looking for complexity, like you need multiple print locations, embroidery, unique garments, you're going to want a company experienced in managing multi-layer projects, not just your basic logo prints. And that could really depend on the size of the company. Custom Ink, for example, is huge. And because of that, you will have multiple different options to pick from. So all of that to say, my final recommendation is, if you want full support and bulk order expertise, our favorite here is Blue Cotton across the board. If you want easy DIY online design, look into Custom Ink first. If you want print on demand and e-commerce integration, look at Printful. And if speed is the most important thing to you, look at Rush Order Tees. And if you are really, really wanting that in-person collaboration, local print shops might be your best bet. All of this to say that there isn't one universal best, right? There's only the best for your situation. So if you're ordering for an organization, a school, a corporate team, you want the process handled professionally without micromanaging every detail, or if you would like to handle everything on your own, just make sure that you are picking the one that is going to match what you need. And if you've used any of these companies before, please let us know your experience below. We love comments. We love hearing how things have worked for you. It helps everyone else watching make smarter decisions. And if you want more breakdowns like this one, make sure you subscribe. We're really looking forward to seeing you. Thank you for being here. Bye.